start feeling ashamed of your own body. I was not obese. I was just a little chubby. That was it. She told me, "Arey, ye moti kya karegi?" This was the ones dark in color. They are called out like that. If someone's very fair, they are called out like. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shriya, and today's video's topic is going to be a little different. It's going to be a little serious. The topic of this video is going to be body shaming. So, what is body shaming? So this is the definition of body shaming that I got from internet, and what I understood by body shaming without like before reading this definition online is that when you start feeling ashamed of your own body, when you start feeling that the body that you have is not worthy, it's not good, it's not likable, or it is just not good to be like you want a body like someone else. Your body is not considered good to yourself and you start feeling ashamed of it. Why this video? Why am I making this video today? Because I didn't know it, but as I grew up, I realized that I was body shamed a lot when I was a child. So when you are a child, especially when you are a kid, pre-teens and in teens, that time, I think that's the time when you are most conscious about how you look. And that is the only time when if someone comments something about your body, especially the negative comments, they really stay with you for I think the longest period of time, and they start shaping you and your personality. And if it's if someone is body shaming you, for example, like you, I think when I was being body shamed as a kid, I didn't know this term body shaming. I didn't know what was happening. I thought of these people were telling right. I mean, that's how I look. And that those their opinions started hindering me, my confidence and my self-worth a lot, even though like right now too I still feel that in me, even after so many years. I don't know why people do this, like grown-ups, like people in your family, like these things happen a lot. And you won't, like if it's happening to you, you won't realize that you are a victim here. And if the other person is saying like doing this or shaming someone or body shaming someone, they won't realize, because in some aspects it's very deeply rooted in our day-to-day lives that we somehow neglect it and take it, oh, we are just joking and everything. But we forget to realize, we just forget to realize that though that little joke can actually trigger a child's mental health for years. So for me, because if you watched my weight loss video, I told there that I was not a very skinny kid since childhood. So if you not watch that video, you can watch that video after this one. But yeah, I lost quite a lot of weight in my late teens, like when I was 17, 8, 17, 16, 17, 18. So this was the time when I started gaining a lot of weight, and then I lost a lot of weight because of various other reasons. But in from childhood, since childhood, I was not a very skinny kid. Especially when I was in third, fourth, fifth class, I started gaining a little weight and I started becoming a little chubby side. And when I look back now and look at my photos, I was like, I used to look so cute. And at that time, relatives, especially relatives, are the ones who would do this a lot. and they used to like, अरे कितनी मोटी हो रही है, बहुत मोटी हो रही है, मोटी. This शब्द I have listened to so many times by my relatives especially. It's so much that at one point of time I literally stopped talking to the people who used to talk like this with me. They used to say कितनी मोटी हो, एक्सरसाइज कराकर, ये कराकर, इसको कम खाना दिया करो, एंड all this thing, you know. whenever I used Whenever we used to meet in some kind of festivals or family functions or anything, you know, I just can't believe how can grown up, like you are literally a 45-year-old man, and you are talking about, I mean, वो इस तरह से शो करते थे दैट इफ दे केयर फॉर मी, ओके वजन बढ़ जाएगा तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट वाज नॉट इवन दैट. Like I was not obese. I was just a little chubby. That was it. उससे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. I mean, children are chubby. It's very normal. So I literally it hindered me so much that I stopped. I was like, मम्मी मुझे वहाँ नहीं जाना, मुझे और कहीं भी ले चलो आप. That was one ऐसा time आ गया था. In my class too, sometimes, like if my classmates are doing it, for example, my friends are doing it, that you are Shreya, you are very moti, and you know all of that, वो चलो एक बार को फिर भी सही था, because of course they're also kids, और वो भी मेरे ही एज के हैं, they are immature. But when teachers do it, there was this teacher in my class, was a kind of annual function का preparation going on, and teacher wanted someone to the main dancer, the person, the girl who wanted to be in the front, okay. So she was not able to find it because nobody was able to do that step correctly. So I volunteered because I was nobody asked me to do it. So I was like, ma'am, can I try this step? So that teacher, she was my class teacher at that time, she told me, अरे ये मोटी क्या करेगी? This was the language she used, and I did this step, and the dance teacher was like, okay, this is the girl who is going to be on the, like the mid part, the main dance part. And yeah, and our performance was one of the finest performance of that annual function. ये बहुत, I think I was in 7th at that time, तब की बात है ये. So I just don't realize that ये grown ups जितने भी बड़े लोग हैं, ये इनको बच्चों को ऐसे बेलिटिल करने में, बॉडी शेम करने में, किसी की बॉडी का मजाक उड़ाने में क्या मजा आता है. एंड इट्स नॉट इज अबाउट ग्रोन अप्स और being a kid. I have no right to comment on other person's body. You have no right to judge anyone how their body. Everyone has a different body type. No two person, even if they are siblings, they cannot have, you know, they cannot look same, like generally, in very general, okay. So all of this, like at that time I was not able to realize कि मेरे साथ ये सब चीज़ हो रही है. But when I started realizing, like when I grew up and when I was growing up, I started looking back at those things, and I was like, okay, I was actually a victim of body shaming. And because I started feeling so ashamed of my own body, my self confidence was literally just very very. I child who used to volunteer, as in 7th class I volunteered myself, I told you right now, to be the main dancer. In 10th, if like 3 years later, in 10th, if you ask the same girl if she will volunteer, she would say no. That's how she would not even speak in front of the class. That's how terribly body shaming actually changed me. So this might be one of the most sensitive topics, and I wanted to share my experience. And if any one of you, like, it's not just about being moti, it can be if someone's very thin or skinny, they also face this kind of similar problem. कुछ खाती नहीं है, सुकड़ी है. I have seen girls are being like called out like this. If someone's dark in color, they are called out like that. If someone's very fair, they are called out. Like if you are tall, you are called out. Like I just don't know why the people have problem with every single, like with every person out there. I just cannot understand this. Like सबको हर किसी से कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. एंड That's what I have realized, and I am realizing it dheere dheere, that you cannot please everyone. And this is something that my mother has told me too, that you cannot please everyone. So do not try to please everyone, just do what you want to do. And just do it, just do the right things. So yeah, this was it. And yeah, the last message, that if, first of all, if someone, if you feel uncomfortable with someone who is talking like this to you, that means you are actually they are actually body shaming you, and this is not wrong. So first of all, tell your parents. I talk to my parents about this now. When I grew up, I tell your parents or anyone that you trust that okay, this is some, maybe your friend or your teachers, anyone who you think is going to support you. Just tell them that okay, this kind of person is saying these things to me and I feel very bad. Do not let those opinions shape your mentality about your own body, because your own body is your very first home. This is going to stay with you till the very end of your life, so you cannot feel ashamed of your own body. I'm not saying that मैं बिल्कुल completely I am मैं अब सब कुछ like I'm completely enlightened. No, I still feel कि अरे यार ये ड्रेस अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, I'm looking मोटी और ये सब अभी भी है, because बचपन में when you are wired that way, it takes very long time to actually rewire it. But I'm trying. If I can do it, you can do it too. So do not feel ashamed in your body, because it's you. So yeah, that was it for this video. And yeah, who is this? He or she, I don't know. This is like a new friend. He, this was sitting here. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.